Slip sliding away. Stop, drop, and roll. Stupid. Oh, he's floating upside down. Are you kidding me? Oh my God. Hi, this is Craig from Craig's Construction. Today I'm going to be reacting to construction fails. Let's see what we got. Here we go. It looks like he's fueling a reach. Oh, oh, this guy's, oh yeah, he's gone. What he was doing there, you never drive with your load high. Always keep it as low as you can keep it. Keeps you from tilting over. Just a little something there, a little nugget. Okay. Okay. Wow. Once again. Well, let's watch this one and I'll go back and tell you on that one. Oh! Woo, nothing you can do about that. Anyway, I want to stop this and go back to that glass, smashing in the other glass. Always use a tag line when you're flying something with a crane or forklift, anything. Use a tag line. It's just a...
Like whipping them off there. Oh my God, look at that is ridiculous. They're everywhere. Look, they're all on the ground too. That's what's all on the ground around that. He's just
what is it? I don't know. Frogs? Tadpoles? Birds attacking this guy.
He's coming to kill us.
Oh!
Yes!
Here he comes.
Oh my God. This is not good. This is not good at all. Holy...
All right. Come on. Put your big boy pants on.
What is this happening? Oh my God. Oh my God. He's not stopping.
Wow.
Yo. This is not
Oh,
safe.
you know what?
This is not a safe work environment. Oh.
This guy here. Oh. Oh, nice. Yep. Don't step over to your right anymore. Oh, okay. Thought he was gonna flip over. I wouldn't be anywhere near that truck. Ooh, okay, yeah. Not legal. That'd be fun, but I wouldn't do it. Woo-hoo! Slip sliding away. Stop, drop, and roll. Oh, yeah, you just stop, drop, and roll right there.
Oh, dude. Just get right up on it.
Stupid. Stupid. Wow. Oh my God. Very dangerous. They're using that for a platform? I can't tell. I don't know what the hell this guy's doing. Oh, he's floating upside down. Are you kidding me? Oh, yeah, I knew that was coming. That mud's a little wet too. There we go. All right, hey, thank you for watching today. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. And thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Hi, this is Craig from Hold on.
Take two.
It's a tongue twister, Craig's Construction.
Yeah, all right, so just
let's go.
Right?
Hi, this is Craig from Craig's Construction. Today, I'm going to be reacting to construction fails.
Do it one more time.
Hi, this is Craig from Craig's Construction. Today, I'm going to be reacting to construction fails, just like in my intro.
Yeah, we might have a blooper reel.
There we go.